love the kind of woman that will actually just kill me.
Okay, shorty, 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 throw that back.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas around me, I hit it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Dame Clay coming back with another video produced, created, and edited by your girl. So before we get into the video, I want to remind you guys to make sure you are commenting, and subscribing. This is a small YouTube channel. I am a small YouTuber, and any and everything helps. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see by the thumbnail, we're going to be doing another wig install. I am so excited because I am ready for something new. Your girl is itching to take this wig off and to put another wig on. Like, the fact that I've even worn it this long is pretty amazing because I am
A material girl.
I like to change my hair. I like to try new things. I like to do different things and stuff. So the fact that I had this wig on for so long is probably because I've just been a little lazy, to be honest. But I'm about to get out of that, and I have to show you guys another wig that I got in my synthetic wig collection because, you know, synthetic wigs are giving, baby. So if you haven't jumped on this train already, you might want to jump on, because by the time you finally in the mix, baby, all the wigs gonna be gone and you're gonna be mad. And you can't be mad at me because I've been trying to tell you. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Of course, we are sticking with What Lace Sensational Cloud 9 wig. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it, baby. I'm gonna shut the hell up, and I'm just going to switch to voiceover at this point. All right, you guys, so as I said before, we are using Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace, and the name of this beauty is Zelena. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking it out of the package. And as you can see with little styrofoam on the ends of it, girl, this mug is super pre-plucked, like for real. And it honestly turned out to be one of the best wigs I've ever tried on. But before installing this wig, your girl, I gotta take off this crusty ass old wig. So once it's off, I'm going to just show you guys what the lace is looking like. I'm taking my foundation brush and using my foundation powder in order to press it in. You want to make sure you are pressing it and not just swiping it, because you're going to lose a lot of product just trying to swipe it in, girl. Press it in. Press, press, press. And once you have it to your desired color, go ahead and place it on, get it adjusted, and get any stray hairs out of the way. That way we can move on to gluing it down. So to glue it down, I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue. This is the travel mini one that I have just because I couldn't find my big one. And I'm just going to start applying this on my forehead in front of my hairline because, baby, we're not trying to remove our edges in 2022, okay? We need the mugs. And to secure it even more, I'm going to use the EBIN lace spray. And honestly, this is better than any Got To Be gel I've ever had. Once everything is placed where it needs to be, I'm going to take a fine tooth comb and just comb back all the hairs, move them out the way. That way, when I put the elastic band on, it's not going to mess up anything, or it's not going to mess up the curing process. Now, while that is drying, I do need to go ahead and zhuzh it up, basically. You know, your girl, you got to zhuzh it up. All these wigs, you're not going to be able to take them out the box and just go. Y'all, look at that. Look at those curls. Period. So, of course, I have to fix that jank part. And once it's nice and crisp, I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to use that to apply the concealer down the center of my part and just make it even more perfect. And I am taking that part all the way to the back, as far as it can go, baby, because the longer the better. That's what she said. All right, that was corny. I'm moving on to the next frame. Once the elastic band is off, it's time to start removing the extra lace. I'm going to start off with these jumbo scissors. Girl, I could not find my regular scissors. But anyways, I'm just going to slit in the lace, and this is just going to help as a guide for when I'm going in with my razor. And I'm going to just take a razor that I got from the beauty supply store and just start removing it. And I'm going to get as close to the end of the hairline as possible without removing any hair. And once I remove the ear tab, y'all gonna see how big my head is for real. Like, look at that. It literally doesn't even fit on the side where my sideburns are. So yeah, wig is still really nice, but it needs to be big head friendly. I'm just going to apply a little bit more EBI in to the edge of the lace just to secure it even more. And then I'm going to put the elastic band back on, let the mug dry for a little bit longer, and you will see the end results. Just wait for it. Now I'm going to be taking my hot comb because I don't know if y'all know this, but it's giving wig. It's giving wig at the top. So I need to flatten that out a lot in order for me to feel comfortable with wearing this outside. But on the bright side, synthetic wigs are super easy to customize, and these hairs can withstand 400 degrees worth of heat. So, you know, if you get any of these wigs and want to customize it or fix it, just know you can apply heat up to 400 degrees without damaging it. Now for the baby hairs. So I'm going to take the rat tail of my fine tooth comb, pull out whatever hairs I want to even be the baby hairs, cut them off. I'm not the best at explaining baby hairs, and I know there's a ton of videos on YouTube that teach you how to do certain things, and I'm pretty sure baby hairs is one of them. So if you don't know how to do them, I suggest you will go learn, because they will save you with these wigs. Because sometimes it takes the baby hairs to make it actually become what lace. Sometimes you do need the baby hairs, love. Sometimes. So after doing the baby hairs on my left side, I'm going to go ahead and finish it off on my right side. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't have a baby hair in the center of my forehead. I have a 5 head. Someone may say a 6 head. So I need something to distract from it. And once my edges are swooped and duped, I'm going to take my foundation brush again and just pack more foundation onto the lace, because we need this to be giving what lace. We need the girls to be saying what lace.
I love the kind of woman that will actually just kill me.
Okay, shorty, 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 throw that back.
Okay, you guys, so that is the end of the video. This is the finished results. This is definitely a cute everyday wig. Pros and cons. Pros. Fire, Avi. This was the best plucked lace I've ever seen. Like, this baby was plucked. Only con, this wig was kind of small for my head. I had to glue it on top of my hair on my left side, but you know, it is what it is. A lot of the wigs are kind of small for my head shape because it is kind of fat. I love this wig so much. It is super cute. If you guys would like this wig or you want to try it, please go ahead and click the link in my description box down below. I have Amazon favorites list and stuff that you can check out and look at all the wigs that I've gotten and worn so far. If you don't have this wig, you need to go and get it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.